Okay, you guys, today's the day. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time ever dyeing. Actually, no, I lied. I've dyed my mom's hair before, but I've never dyed my hair before. So, still, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, yeah. Okay, so these are the 4 hair dye that I bought. I bought them in the color copper. I did my research. So I bought 4 of them. Hopefully it's enough. I know I have kind of a lot of hair, but I cut my hair a little bit yesterday. So I think this is gonna be enough. So I bought this. And then this is the developer that I bought to mix with it. I bought a brush and some gloves. And I also have my bowl right here. So yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick little voiceover for this part. So all I did was add all 4 boxes of the dye into the bowl and then slowly added in the developer. You don't want the hair dye to be too thick or too watery, so that's why I added it in slowly. And then once I got the right consistency, that's when I applied it to my hair.
I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh. Well, can't go back now. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm overreacting, but actually, no, I'm not. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Also, I feel like it's pretty important to say this, like this hair dye, y'all, it's so strong. Like it nearly took me out so many times in that bathroom. Like make sure that if you're dyeing your hair to please open up the vents, the doors, turn on the fan, do whatever you can and get some circulation in, because the smell, awful. And it had my eyes like watering so bad. My nose was running throughout the whole. Yeah, open up the fan, open up whatever you can to get some circulation in, because this hair dye is so strong. So this is what my hair looked like after washing it out and deep conditioning and all that. Honestly, you guys, I hated it. I hated the way it looked. I hated the color. Looking back at it now, I'm like, it wasn't that bad. Like, it looked okay, but I hated it so much. I literally went back to the hair store and bought like 4 or 5 more boxes of hair dye so I could re-dye my hair. Don't do that, you guys. Like, don't be like me and dye your hair twice in one day. It definitely is not good for your hair, let me say that. But yeah, I hated this color and I was just so upset with it because I really wanted ginger. So I literally ran to the hair store, bought 5 more boxes of hair dye, and then re-dyed my hair within the next hour. So
Why does it look so orange? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry because, oh my gosh. I'm gonna cut my hair off. I'm gonna cut it off, literally. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yo, I really don't know how I feel about this hair. I don't know. Okay, so it doesn't look as bad down, but what is this? Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Like, I keep forgetting that my hair is no longer black, and I go to look in the mirror and I'm like just shocked. Wow. But my hair feels soft because I just deep conditioned it, but it feels a lot thinner and it feels different for sure because I dyed my hair twice in one day. Don't do that, okay? Don't be like me. Do not dye your hair twice in one day. That was dumb because my scalp was on fire, and two, it's just you're damaging your hair even more. For what? But this is the end result. I'm not dyeing it anymore. If I don't like it after styling it, it's gonna go. I'm cutting it off. Like, I'm so serious. Like, I'm not dyeing my hair again. I'm not dyeing it black. I'm not doing any of that. So if I don't like it after styling it, then that's it. It's gone. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. This is crazy.